Right now I'm working on a Renault Traffic 2 key. The car won't recognize the key, and remote control doesn't work because the buttons are ripped off the board. Okay, let's disassemble the key and let's see. Whoa, so this key is water damaged. I'm gonna start with cleaning. And now I want to desolder the buttons. One button is out. Let's prepare those pads, and I'm gonna solder new buttons. And I see a trace that might be broken. So it's the trace that connects right here to the LED. Let's check the trace. I'm gonna test for continuity. I'm gonna test from here, from this through hole to here, and it's a continuous path. I think I'm gonna leave it like that. Let's check the resistance of this coil. We have 38 ohms, so it's good. I'm gonna redo some soldering here. Let's check for continuity. On this circuit. And in resistance mode, we have 0.3 ohms, so it's okay. Let me grab two buttons, and I think the ones similar are this one. Let's check on the board. Okay, those buttons are a little bit bigger. But I think it will work. Right now I'm gonna hit unlock or lock, and you can see the LED blinking. The button number 1, the button number 2. Nice. And now I want to check that resistor that we see here. .2 kilo ohms. 1.2 kilo ohms. That is about right. Let's check again this button. I'm pressing on it. Okay, and this one. This one is not working anymore. Let's check the button. Okay, so when I press the button, the circuit continues from here to here and from here to here, I think. Yes. So what could be the problem? What could be the problem? This one is working, and this one worked before just a few times. Okay, let's check another PCB to see what component should be here, and it's a resistor. Let's desolder it. This should be 120 ohms. Let's apply flux. And let's test now. Wow, the remote is working. Okay. That's done. So right now I need to find a cover for this key. I have many covers. This one is not the same. I need to find another cover like that. And this is done. Let's go work on something else now.